How to disable notification in Amex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable notification. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So, here in your settings interface, here on the bottom, you can see the settings option, configure post notification. So, simply tap on it. So, this is the section where you can enable and disable notification. Here on the top, you can simply tap on it to disable it all. So you can even disable it from your mobile settings. Now if you go back, it has been disabled. Now here are subcategories too, so you can deselect the one that you don't want and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.